And it's Saturday, December the 5th, 2009, here in Nyariri, Zimbabwe. This is Jonothan Mhondorohuma. Morning, Jonathan.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
Alright. Jonathan's working on a
Book reader, lying book reader.
lying book reader.
Yeah.
And what's
lemon
done?
Oh, it's lemon opal.
Lemon opal. And the piece is still being sculpted and ultimately will be sanded and polished. And here's some other pieces by Jonathan. Walk around a bit. All of these brought to you by Utonga Gallery, www.utonga.com, Utonga, utonga.com. You can reach us at 843-296-7046. And this next piece by Boit, Nyariri. It's a mother and child, sculpted in springstone. Also by Boit. Also sculpted in springstone. And over here Boit's working on another piece. How you doing, Boit?
I'm fine, Mr. How are you?
I'm good. There's another piece by Jonothan, which is awaiting polishing. There's a granite head by Arthur Fata.
Okay.
Thank you, Jonathan. Thanks, Boit.
Okay.